Welcome to today's Explainer. We're jumping right into a highly practical, everyday topic that pretty much every public transit rider has to deal with at some point. We're talking about taking total control of your transit card balances by checking your Easy Card balance online. Okay, picture this. You're running a few minutes behind schedule, right? You rush up to the transit turnstile, you confidently tap your card, and instead of the gates parting like the Red Sea, you hear it. That dreaded, aggressively loud rejection beep. The gate stays locked, literally everyone behind you groans. You have a zero balance. Well, we've all been there, and it is incredibly frustrating. But today, we're going to make sure that never, ever happens to you again.
So here is our roadmap for today. First, an intro to your Easy Card. Second, preparations for checking balances. Third, a step-by-step online guide. Fourth, troubleshooting common card issues. Fifth, expert tips and best practices. And finally, number 6, our conclusion and important disclaimer.
All right, let's kick things off with Section 1, Intro to your Easy Card. First things first, we gotta clear up a major source of confusion right out of the gate, because there's a crucial distinction between two massive, completely separate systems that share this exact name. On one side of the globe, we have the Taiwan Easy Card. This is operated by the Easy Card Corporation and used heavily across Taipei, Taoyuan, and beyond. Its portals are the Ease website and the Easy Wallet app. And if you have their upgraded SuperCard, it can actually hold up to 10,000 new Taiwan dollars. Now on the other side, we have the Miami-Dade Easy Card in Florida, which is run by Miami-Dade Transit. You manage this one via the online transit store, and it caps out at a maximum load of $150. We're going to cover the online balance checking process for both of these systems today, so you're covered either way.
Moving right along to Section 2, preparations for checking balances.
Before we get into the weeds, let's make sure you're geared up to follow along. Go ahead and grab your physical card, so it's handy right now. You'll also need a device with internet capability and a solid, stable connection. If you're a Miami-Dade commuter, flip that card over and find the 20-digit serial number printed right on the back. If you're in Taiwan, you're looking for the exterior card number on your card. Lastly, just keep in mind your registration status. Like, are you just using this as an anonymous guest, or have you officially registered the card with your local transit authority? Okay, time for the main event, Section 3, Step-by-Step Online Guide. If you're in Miami-Dade, you basically have two paths here, and it's absolutely crucial you know the difference. You can do a quick guest check. This is super fast, requires no login, just that 20-digit serial number. But here's the catch. It only displays your stored cash balance. If you bought an active pass, like a 7-day or 1-month pass, they are totally hidden from this view. On the flip side, if you take the time to log into a registered profile on the transit store, you get the whole shebang. You see your cash balance, all your active passes, and you can even set up automatic reloads. So let's actually walk through it from Miami. Step 1, open your browser and head over to transitstore.miamidade.gov. Step 2, if you just want that quick peek we talked about, select Check Easy Ticket/Card for the guest view, or obviously just log into your registered profile. Step 3, carefully type in that 20-digit serial number from the back of the card. Honestly, it's great because there are no annoying captchas to deal with here. Finally, just hit Submit to view your current status. Simple, right? Now, what about our Taiwan commuters? Well, your primary official channels are the web portal at easyweb.easycard.com.tw, or you can just use the Easy Wallet mobile app. For Step 2, input your exterior card number. A quick heads up here, if you've registered your card, the web portal will also ask for your birth date, specifically in a 2-digit month, 2-digit day format. Step 3 does have a bit more security than Miami. You will need to complete a graphical captcha on the web or run through the app's standard verification. But once you submit, you not only see your balance, you actually get to see your transaction history up to a whole year back. Actually, wait, let me tell you about this because transit tech is evolving so fast. If you're in Taiwan and you've got the upgraded SuperCard, oh, it is so cool. You don't even need to type in numbers. You literally just open the Easy Wallet app on an NFC-compatible smartphone and tap the physical card directly against the back of your phone. The phone reads the card's secure element and instantly pops up your real-time balance. It is a total game changer for convenience. All right, let's pivot a bit to Section 4, troubleshooting common card issues. Because let's be real, tech doesn't always work perfectly. For instance, if you're an international visitor or an expat in Taiwan, checking your balance online can be a huge headache because the official website is only in Mandarin. Well, a totally frustrated Reddit user going by the name NoWestern3505 actually hit the nail on the head and built a hugely popular third-party English wrapper to solve this exact problem. You can check it out at easycard.peerbuilds.dev. And as the creator points out, it simply acts as a relay straight to the official servers. No data is stored, logged, or transmitted anywhere else. It finally gives you an English-friendly way to translate those web portal results.
Now, what happens if you check your balance and you're like, wait, that number is completely wrong? You might panic a little. Actually, don't panic, because it all comes down to synchronization lag. These giant digital networks do not always update instantly. If you check the Taiwan web portal, your displayed data might have a 3-hour to 24-hour lag. That's because it relies on batch synchronization from the physical transit gates. Over in Miami-Dade, it's a similar story. If you just reloaded your card online, give it 15 to 30 minutes for the funds to process. And surprisingly, it can take up to 48 hours for that new balance to fully propagate across every single physical bus fare box and railgate in their entire network. So if the balance looks a little off right after a trip or a reload, just give the system a bit of time to catch up. Let's level up your transit game with Section 5, expert tips and best practices.
You absolutely need to know about expiration policies because, honestly, they vary wildly depending on where you are. In Miami-Dade, the physical plastic card itself has a 20-year lifespan. Sounds great, right? But if you don't use it or reload it for 12 continuous months, the system will systematically deactivate your card. You'll literally have to call customer service to get your funds back. Taiwan is the complete opposite. Their Easy cards have absolutely no expiration date. You could leave Taiwan for years, come back, and your card and balance will still work perfectly.
And this brings us to the single best piece of advice for any transit rider. If you only take one thing away from this explainer, make it this: register your card. Whether you're in Taipei or Miami, registering your card links it to your identity, and that activates balance protection. If your card falls out of your pocket on the street or gets stolen, you don't just lose that money. You simply report it, and the transit authority transfers your remaining funds to a brand new card. Plus, registering is literally the only way to unlock those incredibly convenient features we mentioned, like low balance alerts and automatic reloads directly from your bank account. And that brings us to Section 6, Conclusion and Important Disclaimer. So, checking your transit balance online really just boils down to knowing exactly which portal to use and understanding those slight behind-the-scenes delays as these digital networks talk to physical turnstiles. I do need to issue a quick disclaimer here, though. The information in this explainer is based on data accurate as of August 23rd, 2026. As you know, transit tech moves fast, systems get upgraded, and processes do change over time. So please, always double-check these details with official Miami-Dade Transit or EasyCard Corporation sources. And with that, you are officially ready to regularly check your balance and grease through those turnstiles with absolute confidence. No more of those dreaded rejection beeps for you. But hey, I want to hear from you now. Are you tapping your card on the sunny streets of Miami, or are you navigating the incredible MRT in Taipei? And what is your ultimate commuting hack? Drop your answers and any questions you still have in the comments below. And definitely subscribe if you found this helpful. Keep learning, keep exploring, and I'll see you in the next explainer.